Hi, everyone. I'm Josh Radbod, co-founder and CEO of the PBC Conference, the B2B conference for payments, banking, and compliance in the cannabis industry. I'd like to welcome Michelle Sullivan, the Chief Risk and Compliance Officer for Dama Financial, one of our PBC Conference sponsors. Michelle, thank you so much for being here. Please tell us a little bit about you and what your business does.
Hi, thanks. It's great to have a chance to speak with you. Dama Financial was founded by banking and financial experts, veterans specifically in the cannabis industry. We've been really successful because we've taken two payment companies public, each of which really focused on migrating cash-based businesses and transacting those through electronic means. Our co-founders really thought about the ability to see where we could help businesses like these cash-intensive businesses next, and cannabis was really where we wanted to focus. We're a compliance-driven organization, really who services these cannabis businesses by means of access to our FDIC bank partnerships.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for that. So it's safe to say that you both bring cannabis banks into the industry and you help cannabis operators get access to banking. Is that right?
Absolutely. So we partner with banks that want to service the industry, but maybe don't necessarily have the technology or the resources to do it directly. So we have a great partnership relationship with them where they have the opportunity to receive revenue for holding those deposits and partnering with Dama. But more importantly, we have the ability to bring banking solutions or financial services products to the cannabis related businesses that desperately need the ability to have the same access as any normal merchant company would.
I couldn't agree more. Thank you so much for that, Michelle. So what are you most excited for about PBC 2021?
One of the things that excites me most about coming to these conferences is just learning what's new in the industry. Cannabis is growing rapidly, but again, it's such a small market as far as who has the ability to provide these services. And so it's just exciting to see all the new technology around payments and banking solutions.
I'm excited to see it too. Here's one question that everybody likes. What is one fact about you that would surprise everyone?
This is kind of funny. You're going to laugh at me, but we have lake property and I love to fish. And so I spend any time I can by myself fishing or spending time with family and friends.
That's awesome. I love fishing too. That's great. I bet a lot of our viewers do too. That's amazing.
Yeah, I don't know if you're familiar with 4-H, but was very involved in 4-H when I was young, and I went to a 4-H fishing camp. And I was one of 3 girls out of like 50.
That's awesome. Good for you. That's sweet. Yeah, I remember.
Definitely interesting. The benefits were as we got our own cabin, so we didn't have to share with a bunch of people, which was super fun. So,
There
but
you
yeah,
go.
fishing is phenomenal.
Awesome. Well, Michelle, thank you so much for being here and for sponsoring our PBC conference. Folks, if you would like to meet Michelle and her team, please join us on September 9th and 10th at the Washington Capitol Hilton for our PBC conference. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.